Big John, Big John.
All right, happy Monday. It's about 2:30. I've been up for an hour and a half now, couldn't sleep. So I got hold of the Andersons. They brought me out an applicator, nitrogen applicator, so we could get side dressing corn. A little confusion. It was supposed to have been out here last week, but everybody was busy, and then with the rain and everything. So I got it hooked up to the scooter. They're bringing me a truck full of 28. They're gonna park out here. That's empty. So when they get that out here, we're gonna start side dressing corn. Kirk come over yesterday, last night. We ended up taking my semi over to where he keeps his equipment, and he's running today, trying to get the bugs worked out of his new machine. So I got the air compressor hooked up for him because he wants the air compressor over there to blow it out. So we're gonna go over there and see how things are going while we're waiting on the truck here. Dick Deppner is loading my truck because I told Kirk I would help him if he runs my wheat, so this is all part of it. Dick will be a paying load. That's a paying load. I wasn't planning on charging Kirk anything because he's going to run my wheat. He's using my grain table. We haven't worked out the details yet, but I wasn't planning on it. Shh, don't tell him that. So, little short trailers are a pain to back up. And you can't see it out the side mirrors until it's already turning. So we're gonna run over there and see how Kirk's doing. I know Derek's over there helping him get the bugs worked out. So, and then see where he wants the air compressor, probably down the Almlings. Check and see how Dick's doing. Got a little bit of oil for the semi, it's a little low. So we're gonna go see what's going on. All right, Kirk's pickup's there. He's got his truck and a neighbor's truck. Derek's truck's out there. They're out there running. Let's get the drone out. Well, I sure hope that come out. He went down, I followed him, and I caught him with the drone just about down to the end, and he opened it up. And then he was coming back, and I was flying around and went way up high and stuff. So his blinky lights are going. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I'll zoom it in when I edit it, but his blinky lights are going, so he's getting full. Derek's out there looking to see, because you never know how the previous owner had them adjusted, you know. Some people have them adjusted so they come on right at the very end. Some of them have them adjusted to where they're 3/4 full when it comes on. So if I was running a grain cart, I'd be hustling to get over there next to him so that he could unload. I think he's got the wind system going too. Yep. Little bunny rabbit come out right over there in that windrow. I knew it was just a matter of time before he got a red one. Now the funny thing about it is that's an older machine than mine, but it's the newer version. Case made a whole bunch of changes to the way the thrashing unit is in there, and this has got all them changes, where mine is just a bigger version, newer version of what we had. This is what they called the flagship series. So even though it's older, it's more modern. Does that make sense? So as he's unloading, that blinking light should shut off. Not yet though. I don't know. Well, there you guys are. I was wondering where you guys went off to. I got so excited trying to get Dad going, and then had to haul. Kirk called, and Dick Deppner's truck had the truck loaded, so I had to take off and go deliver a load of grain while Dad was side dressing corn, and I forgot you guys. I'm sorry. Anyway, he says it's putting on a little heavy, so I'm trying to figure out. I probably had about 900 gallons in it, but there's no acre counter on anything. It was only supposed to take about 1,200 gallon, 1,300 gallon to do the whole thing, and it looks like he's about halfway. So that ain't good. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'll call them guys in the morning. They said they had it set. So I'll call Todd in the morning and see what we're gonna do. I got the truck loaded again with wheat for Dick, but it was late enough I didn't want to try and make it up there. I drove right in basically when I went up there, but when I left there was a line, and there's a lot of people running between here and there. so Dad left the windows open. We're gonna close this all up, keep the critters and the dew out. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Anyway, close things up, take a nap, lay down and relax. It's 8 o'clock, so kick back in the chair for an hour and a half before I gotta go to work. And go from there. That's a pretty neat setup. I got it right on a semi. Short little tractor, and I made a bed to fit on it. And yeah, I didn't see this blowout line. I got a lever there to blow the fluid out. I'll have to remember that next time. All right, well, I'm gonna go relax, get something to eat, and get ready for work tonight. Short and sweet today. We'll catch up tomorrow.